Secrets of project management from top entrepreneurs. Want to manage your projects like Elon Musk or Jeff Bezos? Let's dive in. Imagine achieving the same level of success by adopting their strategies. Stick around to uncover the secrets that drive these world-renowned entrepreneurs to excellence. Welcome to MTA Channel. Today, we're exploring project management secrets from top entrepreneurs. These influential figures have transformed industries and achieved monumental success. By learning from their approaches, you can apply these principles to elevate your own projects and reach new heights. Elon Musk emphasizes the importance of setting ambitious goals. His audacious objectives push boundaries and inspire his teams to achieve the seemingly impossible. Embracing this mindset can drive your projects forward, fostering innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Jeff Bezos believes in customer obsession as a guiding principle. By prioritizing customer needs and continually enhancing their experience, he has built Amazon into a global powerhouse. Adopting this focus ensures that your projects stay relevant and deliver exceptional value to your audience. Warren Buffett masters the art of prioritizing tasks. His ability to identify and concentrate on high-impact activities has been key to his sustained success. By honing your prioritization skills, you can ensure that your efforts align with your most critical objectives. Oprah Winfrey emphasizes the value of effective communication in project management. Clear, consistent messaging ensures that everyone is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and enhancing collaboration. This fosters a cohesive environment where team members feel heard and understood, driving project success. Mark Zuckerberg believes in building a strong team culture. By fostering a sense of community and shared purpose, team members become more motivated and engaged. This unity enhances productivity and creativity, allowing projects to progress smoothly and efficiently, leading to superior outcomes. Larry Page leverages technology for efficiency in project management. Utilizing advanced tools and systems streamlines processes, automates repetitive tasks, and enhances data analysis. This technological integration allows teams to focus on strategic aspects, improving decision-making and overall project execution. Steve Jobs focused on design and user experience, ensuring that every project delivers exceptional value to end users. Prioritizing aesthetics and functionality not only differentiates products but also enhances customer satisfaction. This user-centric approach drives loyalty and long-term success in any project. Sarah Blakely underscores the importance of persistence in the face of challenges. Resilience and tenacity enable project managers to navigate setbacks and obstacles effectively. By maintaining a positive attitude and relentless drive, teams can overcome difficulties and achieve their goals. Jack Ma emphasizes the significance of adaptability by highlighting the necessity of evolving in response to changing environments. He believes that flexibility and a willingness to pivot are crucial for maintaining relevance and achieving long-term success in any project. Larry Ellison champions continuous learning and self-improvement as essential components for effective project management. He advises constantly seeking knowledge and upgrading skills to stay ahead. This relentless pursuit of improvement can significantly boost the efficiency and outcomes of any project. Arianna Huffington underscores the importance of balancing productivity with well-being. She advocates for maintaining a healthy work-life balance, suggesting that well-rested and happy team members are more productive and creative, leading to better project outcomes and a more harmonious workplace. Howard Schultz focuses on building brand loyalty as a critical aspect of project management. He believes that creating a strong, recognizable brand identity and consistently delivering quality can foster customer trust and loyalty, which are invaluable assets for any successful project. Indra Nooyi highlights the impact of having a clear vision. She emphasizes that a well-defined and communicated vision can align your team, guide decision-making, and drive motivation. This clarity helps ensure that every action taken is purposeful and contributes to the project's overarching goals. Michael Dell's focus on streamlining processes revolutionized how businesses operate. By simplifying workflows and eliminating inefficiencies, Dell's approach ensures that projects are completed faster and with fewer resources. This method not only saves time but also boosts overall productivity and profitability. Reed Hastings is a pioneer in industry innovation, continuously pushing the boundaries to stay ahead of competitors. His emphasis on embracing new ideas and technologies keeps his company at the forefront, making it adaptable and resilient in an ever-changing market landscape. Tony Xi's commitment to creating a strong company culture highlights the importance of employee satisfaction. By fostering an environment where employees feel valued and motivated, productivity and morale significantly improve, leading to better project outcomes and a more cohesive team dynamic. Henry Ford's implementation of standardization set a new benchmark for efficiency. By creating uniform processes and systems, Ford was able to produce high-quality products consistently. This approach not only reduced costs, but also ensured that projects stayed on schedule and met quality standards. Phil Knight's mastery of marketing and branding demonstrates how powerful a strong brand can be. Effective marketing strategies build brand recognition and loyalty, making it easier to launch new projects successfully. This focus on brand strength translates to sustained growth and a competitive edge. Ray Kroc revolutionized the fast food industry by perfecting the art of franchising. His vision for McDonald's was built on consistency and quality. By standardizing operations and maintaining strict quality control, he enabled rapid expansion while ensuring a uniform customer experience across all locations. Fred Smith founded FedEx with a focus on reliability. He understood that in the logistics industry, timing is everything. By pioneering overnight shipping and investing heavily in infrastructure, Smith built a brand synonymous with dependability, earning customer trust and loyalty. Mary Barra has successfully led General Motors through significant transformations. She prioritizes innovation and adaptability, guiding the company into the electric vehicle market. Her ability to manage change while maintaining core values has kept GM competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. Elon Musk excels at executing projects with unparalleled speed and precision. Whether launching rockets or developing electric cars, his relentless drive for efficiency and perfection allows him to achieve ambitious goals quickly. Musk's approach demonstrates the power of decisive action in project management. Jeff Bezos is a master of long-term thinking. He focuses on sustainable growth and customer-centric strategies, continuously reinvesting profits into new ventures. By prioritizing long-term gains over short-term profits, Bezos has built Amazon into a global powerhouse, setting new standards for business success. Elon Musk emphasizes the importance of executing projects with speed and precision. This approach allows his companies to stay ahead of competitors and rapidly iterate on innovations. Swift execution fosters a culture of urgency and relentless pursuit of excellence within teams. Jeff Bezos advocates for long-term thinking in project management. By prioritizing sustainable growth over short-term gains, his strategies ensure lasting success and resilience. This mindset encourages making decisions that benefit the company and its customers in the long run. These lessons from top entrepreneurs can significantly transform your project management approach. By adopting their strategies, you can enhance goal setting, customer focus, task prioritization, and team culture, ultimately leading to more successful and efficient project outcomes. Recapping the key takeaways, we learn the importance of ambitious goals, customer obsession, strategic planning, effective communication, and continuous innovation. Each entrepreneur's unique approach offers valuable insights that can be integrated into your project management practices for better results. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and start mastering your projects today. By applying these expert strategies, you can elevate your project management skills, drive success in your initiatives, and achieve your professional goals with greater efficiency. Start your project management journey today by subscribing to our channel. Gain valuable insights from the world's top entrepreneurs and transform the way you approach your projects. Let's elevate your skills together and achieve unparalleled success. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.